Welcome back. This is specially made soil mix for succulents. Why a special mix has to be made for succulents is it should be porous, it should not hold the water in it for a longer period so that root rotting can be stopped. This is how the special mix has to be made, and I'll be showing what all the ingredients that we're going to use it. Suppose you are making a pot of this size. You will be taking very little amount of a garden soil, very little. Basically, we'll start with some, this is what is sand, river sand, which is washed properly and completely disinfected with almost every bacteria and other things which are contained in it. What we'll do is, we'll take this 2 times. I'm putting this 1 time this. The next comes this is a bone meal. In this pot I'll be putting hardly 1 spoon of it, not more than that. This is perlite, which will maintain the drainage of a water. 1, 2. Thirdly, what I'm going to put is, this is specially made compost for succulents which has got almost all the ingredients required for them, including seaweeds. I'll be putting 1, 2. This is sarson ka khali. I'll be putting a small amount like a bone meal so that it is having the content of it. The most importantly, this is neem khali, powdered neem khali, which is extracted after the neem oil is taken out of it, and finally this powder is going to be added to this. Once again, it is the same quantity because this is a very small pot. This is gypsum. What is gypsum? Gypsum will maintain the crystal clearance of any mixes which will not make attachment to each other. Once again, 1 teaspoon of it. Now comes the very important parameter. This is a material which looks like a stone, but it is not stone. This is a compressed media for growing, especially for many plants. If you want to plant it without soil, this can help you a lot so that many diseases which are because of the soil content can be avoided. Finally, I am going to put this is what you call is cinder, which is a charcoal burnt and washed properly without any dust. I'm putting 1 and 2. On the top of it, we'll be putting other ingredients like baking soda in it, and mix it properly in a container so that we have the mix is properly mixed up. See, almost it is full. Once you mix it properly, your mix is ready for any kind of a succulent that you want to plant it, which is porous in nature, which has all the ingredients required for it, supplements required for it, so that none of the succulents will die or lose their shapes during the growth period, and you will have a multiple poppies coming out of it or multiple stems coming out of it, so that it can grow better. And finally, when I yesterday's session I told you very clearly, selecting a proper container for it. Any succulent that you are putting it, if it is a small container, the growth is limited. If I put it here, the growth is unlimited, so the poppies generated will have a space to grow. And secondly, make sure that your pot will not have at least half a centimeter or 1 inch of a depth left open for it. In this way, this cocoa pot will have a aeration, so that the roots also get aerated, they get breathing time, they can do better, and more successfully we can plant it. No water will stay, although the content of a soil mix is totally porous. Secondly, the pot is also porous. No water will get stagnated there or stay there, so the roots get in the water and they get root rotted or spoiled. This is the way the soil mix has to be prepared, the proper mix has to be taken, proper pot has to be taken according to the size of the plant. It may be small sometimes, it may be bigger this time. That I will explain when I am doing an individual plantation. Now, we have made ready this. The next session that I will be completing is using this pot. I will be potting 2 plants, succulents, and show you and what are the precautions to be taken while planting a tree. The plant, if you are uprooting from your existing one, the method is different. If the plants are coming bare rooted, the method is different. Those things will be explained in our next session.